video, we're going to go over how to make a sucker bow. So when making a sucker bow, you just get your suckers. Now, these are the roundy ones, so they're a little difficult to work with. If you can get the nice, flat, decorative suckers, those lay better on your packaging and a little easier to work with. But these round ones you can do just as well. So to make a sucker bow, it is best to work with 2 suckers at a time. A 2-sucker bow is just perfect. What you do is you take a piece of your tape and you grab your suckers and you put them in an X mark, and you take your tape and wrap it around the tops of the sucker where the plastic meets the stick, and then just tape them together in an X pattern. For the sake of today, we're going to be doing four lollipops for the bow. So here we have 2 taped together, and then the other 2 we're going to tape a little further down the stick so that they are up a little higher. So maybe right underneath a little bit underneath where the cover for the lollipop covers the stick. And these are taped together. And now that the suckers are taped together, we're going to go ahead and tie a little piece of pre-cut ribbon around the first 2 where the tape is up higher on the stick around the bottom of the lollipop. And we're just going to tie that into a knot just in case our tape doesn't hold. We taped it to help it stick together. Now we're going to put our ones where we taped lower down the stick down, and we're going to take the ones that we did just tie off, and now we're going to tie them together. We're going to wrap it around the back, give it a little tie together, and then pull it to the front, and then tie it in a knot. And then you can adjust it as you would like so that it can fit on your package. And it almost looks like a little set of balloons. So then you're going to position that where you would like it on your package. And I have another piece of ribbon that I've cut that is longer. It's enough to go around the whole package and the lollipop bow. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide the ribbon underneath the package. And we're going to bring the ribbon up and around, and we're going to tie it right over the other ribbon that we just tied in a knot on our lollipop. And we tie that in a knot, and now if it's not secure, we can go ahead, and I did it enough so I can wrap it around and tie it in a knot on the back of the package.
Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe if you would like more unique gift wrapping ideas.